Have you ever tried hot honey halloumi? Because if you haven't, you're missing out. We're a bit bored with having the same grilled halloumi, so we thought we'd try something different this time. So we're going to make our hot honey halloumi today. To start off with, in a bowl add 2 tablespoons of honey, and to this add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Then add the juice of 1 lemon. To this you want to add your cut halloumi. So we're using 1 packet of halloumi here, and we're going to cut them into nice 1.5cm thick slices. It's really important to keep the slices this thick because then you'll keep your halloumi nice and soft once you cook it later. Once that's nice and coated, you want to leave it to marinate for 15 minutes. Once your halloumi is marinating, you can get the topping for the halloumi ready. We're toasting 1 to 2 tablespoons of flaked almonds on a hot pan until they're nice and brown. Once they're browned, remove them from the heat and leave to one side. In the same pan, once it's nice and hot, you want to add your halloumi. We're going to cook on each side for about 2 minutes. You want to cook your halloumi until it's nice and browned on one side, but you don't want it to get too dark or burnt because then your halloumi will be hard and chewy. You want to make sure we keep it nice and soft. Just before you're ready to flip your halloumi over, you want to add some more of that honey chili mix that was left over from your marinade on top of the halloumi. Then flip it over and cook for another 2 minutes. Once you've flipped all of your pieces of halloumi over, you can add the remainder of that honey chili mix and then leave your halloumi to cook until both sides are nicely browned. Once they're nicely browned on both sides, you want to remove it from the heat. This is honestly some of the nicest halloumi that we've had, and we're not finished yet. I'm going to top our halloumi off with some of those flaked almonds that we roasted earlier and some freshly chopped red chilli.